Germany delivers third Patriot air defense system to Ukraine amid rising Russian missile attacks. The German ambassador to Ukraine announced that the third Patriot air defense system from Germany had arrived in Ukraine. This system is intended to enhance the protection of the country's population and infrastructure against aircraft, drones, and missiles. The Ukrainian crew assigned to the system has completed relevant training in Germany over the past few months. In December 2023, Germany completed training its second group of Ukrainian soldiers on the Patriot air defense system. Plus, this 6-week training, held at a Bundeswehr Air Force base, involved about 70 Ukrainian personnel, including officers experienced with Soviet-era air defense systems, such as the S-300. This training is part of Germany's effort to support Ukraine's defense capabilities against Russian aggression. Alongside the Patriot systems, Germany has provided additional air defense equipment, including IRIS-T and Gepard systems. The trained soldiers are now capable of operating the Patriot system to defend Ukrainian airspace. German military assistance to Ukraine is delivered through two main channels: federal government funds for security capacity building, which finance military equipment deliveries from industry, and direct deliveries from federal armed forces stocks. Air defense is a primary focus of these deliveries. As of June 14, 2024, Germany's contributions include 4 IRIS-TSLM air defense systems, previously 3, 2 IRIS-TSLS air defense systems, previously 1, 146,000 rounds of ammunition for Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft guns from Bundeswehr and industry stocks, 2 Skynex air defense systems with ammunition, IRIS-TSLM missiles, 9 TRML 4D air surveillance radars, IRIS-TSLS missiles, 52 Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft guns with spare parts, 2 Patriot systems with spare parts, Patriot missiles, 2 Patriot launchers, 4,000 rounds of practice ammunition for Gepard systems, 500 Stinger man-portable air defense systems, and 2,700 Strela man-portable air defense systems. Additionally, ongoing and planned military support to Ukraine includes 1 Patriot air defense system, Patriot missiles, 2 Skynex air defense systems with ammunition, IRIS-TSLM/SLS missiles, 15 Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft guns, 8 IRIS-TSLM air defense systems, 10 IRIS-TSLS air defense systems, and 249,680 rounds of Gepard ammunition. For security reasons, the German federal government refrains from detailing transportation modalities and dates until after the handover. Ukraine's need for air defense systems, particularly additional Patriot missile defense systems, has intensified as Russian missile and drone attacks continue to target critical infrastructure and civilian areas. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has stressed the necessity of acquiring at least 7 more Patriot systems to protect key cities such as Kharkiv, which has been heavily bombarded since a Russian cross-border offensive on May 10, 2024. Ukraine has received 2 Patriot systems from the United States and 3 from Germany, with the latest approval from President Joe Biden on June 11, 2024. And an immediate delivery from Germany announced in April 2024. Each Patriot system, consisting of 6 to 8 missile batteries, is needed to intercept the approximately 3,000 bombs that Russia launches into Ukraine each month, aiming to safeguard both military targets and civilian infrastructure. Despite these efforts, Ukraine's air defenses are under significant strain, requiring ongoing international support to maintain defensive capabilities. The MIM-104 Patriot missile system, developed by Raytheon, has been the primary surface-to-air missile system for the U.S. Army and several allied nations since its deployment in 1984. Initially designed to replace the Nike Hercules and Hawk systems, the Patriot integrates advanced radar and missile technology. The system's name, Patriot, is derived from its radar component, phased array tracking radar, to intercept on target. Its combat debut occurred during the Gulf War in 1991, targeting Iraqi Scud missiles with varied results. 3. Since then, The system has undergone continuous upgrades and remains a key component of U.S. and Allied air defense strategies, with an operational expectancy extending until at least 2040. The Patriot system has evolved through several significant upgrades. The original MIM-104A variant was followed by the PAC-1, MIM-104B, in the late 1980s, featuring guidance system improvements. The PAC-2, MIM-104 Coulomb, introduced enhancements such as a new warhead and improved anti-ballistic missile capabilities. The PAC-2 GEM, Guidance-Enhanced Missile, variants, including the GEM-T, Tactical, and GEM-C, Cruise, offered additional upgrades to target accuracy and reliability. The PAC-3, MIM-104 Farad, variant features hit-to-kill technology for increased effectiveness against ballistic missiles. The PAC-3 has sub-variants like the Cost Reduction Initiative, CRI, and Missile Segment Enhancement, MSE, which offer improvements in range, maneuverability, and overall performance. The latest variant, the PAC-3 MSE, Missile Segment Enhancement, represents the current development stage of the Patriot system. It features a larger dual-pulse booster and advanced guidance systems, enabling it to intercept targets at greater distances and higher altitudes. Designed to counter sophisticated ballistic and cruise missile threats, the PAC-3 MSE uses hit-to-kill technology, where the missile destroys its target through direct impact, supplemented by a lethality enhancer that disperses shrapnel to ensure target destruction. This variant has demonstrated effective performance in various tests and real-world applications, including recent deployments in conflict zones such as Ukraine. The PAC-3 MS can carry 12 missiles per launcher, compared to the 4 missiles of earlier variants, enhancing its defensive capabilities. Thanks for watching this video.